Let's talk about color theory as it relates to color separations in printmaking. As you already know, if you want to have more than one color, you have to have more than one printing matrix. In fact, typically, you've got to have one printing matrix, be it a block, a screen, a stone, a plate, etc., per color. So it pays to understand how colors interact with one another. How does one color overlap another color to create a third color without having to have a third screen? Perhaps a Venn diagram would be helpful. What happens if we overlay a blue circle with a red? Purple. Yellow over blue? Green. Yellow over red? Orange. All three together? The primaries, secondaries, and the tertiary, all 7 colors, not counting white, from just 3 layers. With the addition of a key image, everything ties together. That's nice in theory, but it makes a pretty boring image. Let's see if we can apply it to something a little more awesome. Sammy!
Yeah, Dad?
Can you make me something a little more awesome?
You bet. Everything is awesome.
Register tracing paper or mylar to your color image. Label the separation according to the color that you are separating out, in this case, yellow. Heavily shade any part of the image that has yellow as a component. Yellow, green, and orange.
Let's party forever. We're the same, I'm like you, you're like me. We're all working in harmony. Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. Everything is awesome.
Detach the transparency and hold it up to a light source to inspect the opacity of your drawing material. Attach a clean transparency, label it red, and proceed blocking in all of the shapes that employ red as a component. Red, purple, and orange.
Everything is better when we stick together. Side by side, you and I gonna win forever. Let's party forever. We're the same, I'm like you, you're like me.
Detach the transparency and hold it up to a light source to inspect the opacity of your drawing material. Attach another clean transparency, label it blue, and proceed blocking in all of the shapes that employ blue as a component. Blue, purple, and green.
We just named 2 awesome things. A Nobel Prize, a piece of string. You know what's awesome? Everything. Dogs and fleas.
Detach the transparency and hold it up to a light source to inspect the opacity of your drawing material. Attach a final transparency, label it black, and proceed outlining the key image. Here, I'm using India ink and a fountain pen to create a clean, dark line.
Everything is awesome. Everything is cool when you're part of the team. Everything is awesome when we live our dream.
Detach the transparency and hold it up to a light source to inspect the opacity of your drawing material.
I am not so sure I want to go to the trouble of making a screen print of a Lego man no matter how awesome he is. This should get you started on your final project. You have 3 transparencies all ready to go pre-punched. You are required to do a 3-run print, so start by creating your 3 color separations. Good luck!